Hello everyone, in this video let us know about GATE 2022. The Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering for the year 2022 is going to be organized by Indian Institute of Kharagpur. In the year 2022, GATE will be having 29 subject papers in total. That includes 2 new papers of Geomatics Engineering GE and Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering NM. So in total, all these 29 subjects will be distributed over Saturday 5th February, Sunday 6th February, Saturday 12th February and Sunday 13th February of 2022. And this examination is going to be conducted in different cities across the India. The GATE score would reflect the relative performance level of the candidate in a particular subject they have chosen, and also the GATE 2022 score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of the results. Coming to the main point, use of GATE score for employment. Many organizations like Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, National Thermal Power Corporation, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and Power Grid Corporation of India, all such type of organizations are using GATE score for recruitment of their candidates. Coming to the GATE examination pattern, it is a complete online computer based test in which we will be having 3 types of question: multiple choice question, multiple selective questions and numerical answer type questions. So in multiple choice questions, we have to choose only one correct answer, and for each correct answer the distribution can be section wise. In some sections the MCQ would take 1 mark, and then other section it can carry 2 marks, and also the same relevant 1/3 of the total marks will be deducted for negative marking. In multiple selective question, we have to select more than one option. In numerical type answer, we have to enter the exact numerical value for the given problem. So while examination, candidates may only use the on-screen virtual calculator provided in the examination. And even if the candidate is appearing for 2 papers, he must have to fill only one application for both these papers. As the GATE examination will be held in multiple sessions, which are in morning and afternoon sessions, so the candidate have to apply for both the papers in the scheduled session for them. So coming back to the pattern of examination, there will be questions of general aptitude and also candidate selected subject questions that would be testing the abilities of recalling, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis of the candidate. There will be a total of 65 questions and the total number of marks will be 100. All these 65 questions will be divided into 1 marks and 2 marks questions. The marks distributions for papers AR, CY, EY, GG, MA, PH, XH and XL will be 15 marks from general aptitude and 85 marks from subject questions. But in rest all the papers, there will be 15 marks of general aptitude questions, 13 marks of engineering mathematics questions and 72 marks of subject questions. So in all these papers the total marks will be 100. Coming to the important dates, the online application process for GATE 2022 will begin on 30th August 2021 and the closing date for online registration is 24th September 2021. Applicants may download their admit cards on 3rd January, and as said previously, the GATE examinations will be held in 5th February, 6th February, 12th February, 13th February of 2022 in 2 sessions, which are forenoon and afternoon sessions. And the results for this examination will be declared on 17th March 2022. Coming to the eligibility for GATE 2022, a candidate who is currently studying 3rd or higher year of any undergraduate degree of engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible for appearing in GATE 2022 examination. All the required syllabus for all these papers are given in the same PDF after page number 64. So all the interested candidates who want to have a look on the syllabus may scroll this notification down, and the link for this notification is given in the description, and also the official website for GATE 2022 will be provided in the description. Coming to the application process for GATE 2022 is online only. The candidate must need a photograph, signature, category certificate for SC, ST, PWD candidates and a valid photo identity which the candidate must carry during the examination. All the interested candidates who are going to apply, please ensure the scanned copies of their caste certificates, photographs and signatures and other required certificates should be of required size and dimensions. Coming to the application fees, for female candidates per paper the fees is 750 rupees. For SC, ST and PWD candidates the application fees for one paper is 750 rupees, and for all other candidates it is 1500 rupees per paper. So all the eligible and interested candidates do download this notification and read it carefully, and also check the syllabus for the relevant subject you are going to apply for, and start preparing from now. Boost up your career. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a great future ahead.